Oh, you're gonna come. Oh, you're gonna come on. Oh my Jesus Christ! What the fuck could possibly be in here?
So,
wait a minute. Why do you get safety gear and I don't? I'm gonna have to call OSHA. Like, I'm very afraid of what's in here now.
well, I've been carrying this the whole time, and it's been in my house, so I have to protect myself. Okay, we're just gonna open it. And then we're gonna put it in.
What is this? What, dude? I'm not drinking this. What the fuck, dude? This is the Chernobyl Spirit Company.
Yep. So this is vodka made from apples from the fallout area of the Chernobyl accident in the Ukraine. And
This box is about to break.
I know the box is a little.
Oh, that was hard to get out. Here you go. Vodka distilled from apples from the Chernobyl area.
Yeah.
And this is safe to drink.
This is safe to drink, yeah. And
How is this safe to drink?
It's been distilled and the area is recovered quite a bit, so it's safe to drink. And 75% of the profits of this vodka goes to the communities that's affected by the Chernobyl.
Which is awesome, but I don't know. I feel very conflicted about this.
So this is something that's,
All right.
for now, only available in England. And I had to have my friend Pete in England buy this, bring it over here to get it imported. Because, yeah, you could.
So it's only available. That's what I was going to ask. I was going to ask if this was available in the United States.
Yeah, because it's a small distillery,
UK
so it's been like a whole process for them, apparently. And today we're making the Atomik cocktail.
My name's Leandro Demon Riva. This is The Educated Barfly. Now make it ridiculously nuclear with a absinthe wash. Let's get into making the cocktail. All right, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of each then, if there are gonna be. I think the Amontillado sherry at a bar spoon, when you put cognac in there, is gonna be.
Yeah, disappear. So that's what they say.
Disappear. So I'll put 1/4 ounce. I mean, this guy should have a place of honor, shouldn't he? It's kind of a fat quarter, but that's okay. All right, we'll get that guy in there. We'll get a couple of these guys in there. Oh, we haven't used our fly bar spoon for a while.
Oh, yeah, years.
We haven't used it in a long time.
And we're doing a cocktail today that you've never tried. So that'll be interesting.
Yeah. Just, we're doing that a lot lately, which is good. I like it. It's fun. I think we should do more of that. More cocktails that I haven't tried or like tests or whatever.
So this might be slightly different than the original Atomik cocktail, I guess, with the apple vodka thing.
I think this is going to be fantastic. I'm actually very excited for the cognac apple spirit combination of flavor. And it's going to be nice because that Amontillado sherry is going to give it a nice amount of acid. Imported from England. That's very impressive. How long did it take you to get this thing?
Yeah, it's been a few months in the works.
So you know what I just realized? When I didn't actually, like a normal tutorial, call out the specs really, did I? I mean, I kind of did, but like, just so everyone's clear, we did 1.5 ounces of the apple spirit, 1.5 ounces of cognac. We're using the Heinz fine champagne. And then we did 1/4 ounce of Amontillado sherry.
Yeah, and last ingredient, top with champagne.
Oh, we top with champagne. Oh, I did not realize that we're gonna need another glass. So take this off. What we wanna do is grasp the cork, turn it clockwise. You'll feel it start to give. Just keep your whole hand on it like that. And we're just gonna top that up like so. All right.
And then a lemon twist? Or
lemon twist or orange wedge.
Orange wedge, yeah.
Or a three-eyed plastic fish from The Simpsons.
Wait a minute.
I think lemon twist is going to be a lot better than an orange wedge that people are going to squeeze orange juice into this cocktail. That is incredibly interesting.
Yeah, that's right. It seems to be the general consensus of it.
You know, I think it's just like the sherry along with the apple really brings out that sort of musty quality. Not a fan. It's off balance. It's weird. It's a really weird flavor. I'm not a fan of this cocktail at all.
Yeah,
it's off balance. It's almost too much residual. I think that 1/4 ounce was a bad call. I think that we probably should have done a bar spoon. All I'm tasting is the Amontillado sherry along with some of the barrel aged notes of the cognac. But then the champagne is just like kind of weird. And then it has a lemon pop and it's like a lemony, champagne-y, sort of dry, very musty flavored drink. It's weird. Yeah. It's weird. It's weird. This cocktail doesn't know what it wants to be, I think. Mm-hmm. Where did you get these specs? Whose drink is this? I'm sorry to whoever created this cocktail. I love the spirit.
So I think the cocktail was kind of like rediscovered by David Wondrich in the Killer Cocktails from 2005. But the cocktail was invented in Las Vegas in the early 50s by I think the Las Vegas Chamber of Commerce, because in the late 40s, early 50s, the US government was turning over a bomb range nearby, not very far away, into nuclear test ranges. So they were detonating nuclear bombs that you could see from this Vegas strip. And the city of Vegas was kind of like booming. There was like people coming in from LA and the casinos were doing well. So they were a little concerned about this nuclear bomb explosions that are happening not too far away. So instead of fighting it, they kind of just leaned into it. And they invented this cocktail, the Atomik cocktail. And it was an advertising.
Wait, but this spirit been around for a really long time? This seems like a new thing.
It just calls for vodka.
Oh, it calls for vodka.
But we're using Atomic vodka because the Atomik
cocktail. The Atomik vodka is not actually vodka, but it's U to V and has a weird malty taste. Now I kind of want to like redo this cocktail with actual vodka to see, and a bar spoon of Amontillado sherry to see if it's better than this, because this didn't go well.
Let's try it, but it was still a cocktail.
I mean, should we give the other one a quick mix?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, all right. I'm gonna just grab another stirring glass though, because
ooh.
All right. So, and you said ounce and a half.
Yeah, ounce and a half, and
right,
bar spoon of sherry is the.
Let's try the original, shall we? Let's see if this is the Atomik cocktail. Another ounce and a half of vodka, which is just cognac and vodka is a strange combination, just at all.
Yeah,
we're gonna do a bar spoon here of our sherry because I think we went a little too hard on the sherry in the last one. I think that the pairing of this and this did not do well. Kind of a fat bar spoon, but you know what? Take it. That's it, right?
Yep.
Then just ice. It's crazy. This kind of devolved into a test episode because.
Well, it was always an experimental episode, I guess, from the very beginning.
Top it up with a little of the bubbly. We'll give this the lemon twist as well and give it the works and see what happens. Look at that, I have like a little wart. It's terrible. It's terrible. I think that Wondrich was more taken with the interesting history behind this drink than the actual drink itself. But
I mean, it was created as a.
It's an off-balance, terrible drink.
Yeah, and they probably made it. It's supposed to be explosive.
Yeah, but how many people do you think just like choked this down because they just like they like the story or whatever?
Yeah, it was
slaves to the marketing.
It was in all the casinos, the Flamingo, all the stuff, and it was marketed. They had
God,
posters. The Atomik cocktail. It was used in advertising for the city.
Vodka and cognac.
With champagne.
It's fucking terrible. And I don't know who said you got to put an extra bit of sherry in there. You can taste the sherry. It's just weird because it's like you got the barrel notes from the cognac, and then you have like the alcohol content of the vodka just sort of like enhancing the like dry characteristic of the champagne. Yeah, this isn't actual champagne either. This is, you know, sparkling wine or whatever.
But
and then you have, surprisingly, even just that little bit of Amontillado sherry comes right up to the front, man. It's. What were you gonna say?
Oh, I was gonna say, yeah, they didn't have. I had to step by Bev mode. They didn't have like any French champagne, so I had picked this Brut, which is actually a French company that's specifically selected a vineyard here to make it very like.
So it's like champagne-ish.
Yeah, they did the best they could do here.
Right. But they didn't have like usually K&L always has like Moet or something in the little bottles.
They opened at like
11. They always open at 11. Yeah, it's annoying. Can never get in there. Open earlier, K&L, so we can shop there because we're your best customers and we need to go in there like at 9 a.m. So we need someone to come in at 9 a.m. on our shoot days so that we can get the right ingredients for our videos. And just FYI, anyone that knows anyone that works at K&L, let's run this up the flagpole.
And I didn't want to buy like $100 full-size bottle.
No, that's ridiculous. I don't know why I keep wanting to sip this because it's so terrible, but I'm kind of addicted to the terribleness of it all. No, that's fucking bad. Here's my question. Is this, oh God, that aftertaste is just terrible. I kind of want David Wondrich to come mix this up and see like what he does differently. Like maybe he has, like maybe he just like the ingredient selection, or he just works the Wondrich magic on it.
It seems to be the consensus that this is it's an explosive cocktail.
Yeah, it's explosively bad. It's just a terrible drink. I just wonder, my question that I posited, I was thinking about this earlier and I said, my question is, and then I went on another tangent because that's just what I do. But my question to you is this the first time in the Educated Barfly that we tasted something that was just like, it's terrible?
Probably, yeah.
You know, we used to get a lot of comments that people are like, why do you like everything you taste? And my whole thing was like, because I only make videos on cocktails that I like. This is the first time I think that we've ever done a cocktail that's just complete mystery. And is not good at all. It's not good at all. Don't make the Atomik cocktail at home. Or if you want to break balls with your friends or your family, make it for them and see what they think.
But if you're in England, pick up some Atomik.
Yes,
spirit.
This, on the other hand, is a revelation. I would gladly grow a third eye for this spirit. It's fantastically good. I will say though, I'm getting a little bit chatty, which means that I've had, you know, a couple of tipples today, and we have more to shoot. We've got 1.5 hours to execute those videos, so we should probably move on. Pick this up, don't make this. This seems promising. Let's wrap this video up before I'm tempted to take another terrible sip of this cocktail. If you like this channel, please hit like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon and YouTube memberships. Thank you to our patrons and YouTube members for making all of our YouTube cocktail channel dreams come true. You guys really help us, and all of the stuff that we are enabled to do on this channel is because of you guys. And check out our website, theeducatedbarfly.com, for some recipes, virtual bottle program, and some articles, and I'll see you guys another time.
Contaminated.
Put your, oh man. All right, here you go. I find it disconcerting that you now feel the need to come and grab the stuff, and you're still in a hazmat suit.
Just in case. Just for
it just goes to show this is what our relationship is like, just FYI.